Jamaica's national men's basketball team is ramping up preparations for the FIBA World Cup qualifiers as they get set to take on the Bahamas on Thursday in the first of two games at the National Indoor Sports Center. Daniel McLeod reports.
Buoyed by back-to-back wins over the number 16th ranked Puerto Rico 3 months ago, the 87th ranked Jamaicans are in high spirits as they set their sights on another upset against the 52nd ranked Bahamas in their Round 1 FIBA Basketball World Cup qualifiers in the next 48 hours. Despite being ranked 35 places below their Caribbean rivals, Jamaica's head coach Rick Turner says the team will be ready for the challenge.
We're getting there. You know, we were okay yesterday in practice. We were a little better today. We expect to be a little better tomorrow and then be ready for a really good team on Thursday.
Turner notes there is no change from the team that defeated Puerto Rico.
This is the same group we took to Puerto Rico in November. They're really excited about this unique opportunity to play in front of the hometown fans and let Jamaicans see really high-level international basketball for the first time ever. So they're really excited about it. We just want to do our best to stay away from distractions and stay focused and just prepare for a really good Bahamas team.
Meanwhile, President of Jamaica Basketball Association, Paulton Gordon, says a lot of work went into getting the court ready to host the games.
It's a whole lot. As you know, the Indoor Sports Center it's a multi-purpose space, so we have to retrofit this for basketball purposes. So there are a lot of pieces that we had to adjust and put in place, bring in a few things with main event to satisfy the needs of FIBA, the international body. They have their referees and the technical persons here guiding us every step of the way, and that is important for us. So it's part of the learning curve.
Gordon also believes fans will be in for an exciting contest.
Newcomers, the newbies, the persons who are organists come. We'll accept you on those days. Putting all the pieces in place, we'll have proper entertainment. We'll have Ding Dong Adonai on both days. We'll have other entertainment. We'll have some celebrity shootout, and we'll have really have a nice festival-like atmosphere at basketball.
Thursday's game will be broadcast live on TVJ Sports Network and Hits 92 FM, starting at 6:10 p.m. with delayed coverage on TVJ starting at 8:30 p.m. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.